Got a knife comparison. So what is this knife? Why are you putting on your pro to use a knife?
Absolutely, because I need to be protected.
What the fuck?
This is what you call an Emerson clone. It's probably a Chinese clone of an Emerson.
So basically, these guys
Combat
buy
rabbit.
really expensive fancy
That's not
knives.
expensive. This is $250.
Oh, you're saying he's saying he has a poor person knife?
He does.
It might be.
This is S35 VN Spartan blades. They make the world's best fighting knives.
Why do you have
Fixed blades.
nomenclature for a knife?
Mine actually cuts things. I'm not afraid to use it.
I have the X35 V2 bread knife from Blade Sticker International. All right, now we're gonna do a pumpkin test. Go ahead.
Not on this one.
Oh yeah, a super nice knife that we can't use on pumpkins.
Yep, this is just for look.
I guess you hate Halloween.
You have to make a.
But do it from deployment. Do it from deployment now. Do it from deployment.
Yep,
I gotta pop that eye out first.
Oh, there you go. You're making a nice eye. That's cool.
See, he actually likes Halloween. You got a problem. All right, here we go. Do it from deployment. I'm gonna step back because you almost fucking sliced me last time. Here we go. Cool.
Actually, that's
Cool. I might get from another angle. Let me get from another angle.
That's actually pretty cool. That came out quick.
All right. Here we go. He's actually an operator, so we can't put his face in.
Operate this.
Okay.
You know what? That's pretty tight, actually, for a folder. Comes right out.
Now that versus kabar.